I think the benefits that apprenticeships bring to our workforce is that it's a way to bridge the gap between education and employment, which offer hands-on experience and valuable skills whilst learning about the job that they do.
The impact the apprenticeship has had on me is that it definitely reaffirmed my knowledge as a registered manager and significantly boosted my confidence. When I started, I was actually awaiting my CQC registration, and I did speak to my tutor about how nervous I felt about the actual interview process, and I was just so nervous and not confident at all. But because I was on this journey doing my apprenticeship, when the interview actually came, it was a breeze. I actually felt so sure of myself, what I've learned, all my knowledge. I applied that and it really showed in the interview process, and I did pass with flying colours and heard back on the same day, and I was registered. So without it, I wouldn't have been able to feel the way I did that day. The apprenticeship has really shifted my leadership style, which is naturally aligned with my role. Since implementing the person-centered leadership approach, I've seen noticeable improvements in my team. I find that they're more willing to go above and beyond in their own role because they are so motivated and boosted with all the extra knowledge that I've picked up and shared with them, that, you know, the whole aspect of what we do, the entire care service, has actually improved because everything I give to them, they feed back to their little teams of carers who then feed back to our clients. So it is a massive, you know, a positive knock-on effect on the entire business, you know, from me to them, to the carers, to our service users who are obviously at the centre of everything we do.
Zerocare invests in apprenticeship programs because we want our employees to be the best at what they do. We want them to have those knowledge, skills and behaviours to support that. We want to see care as a career. So by having those apprenticeships in place to support our employees, it can really improve everything about what we do. I think when you're looking for an apprentice, you want that dedication, you want the passion. You do this qualification whilst you're working in the field you're working in. It's important that you actually want to do it and want to develop yourself, I think is the really key things we look for. It's only as good as the passion you put into it. So if we want to use this apprenticeship to support with yourself, your own progression, I think you have to be dedicated to that cause.
The impact the apprenticeship has had on me is it's offered me hands-on experience on the professional setting. It's also helped me build skills and confidence, and I'm able to, you know, have a clear understanding on what path I'm supposed to follow when it comes to this particular sector or profession. So the apprenticeship has helped me grow by, you know, exposure to the real world challenges, to be honest. The opportunity for me to work with alongside very professional, experienced people, and it also has accelerated my personal and professional growth. And to be honest, it has improved my time management, my communication skills, which I thought were really good, but to be honest, they've really gone to another level. And it also has made me work better with people, sort of teamwork skills. Some of the changes the apprenticeship has made to my career development is it's helped me focus more on my designated career path. It has also expanded my network opportunities. It has made me even more competitive, especially in the job market. And overall, I have a clear focus on what I want to do at the end of this